IWB D2200. Do you need to use the functions of the interactive whiteboard, but you are on the go or in a room that currently does not have access to an interactive whiteboard? The Ricoh IWB D2200 is the solution for you. The Ricoh IWB D2200 is smaller and lightweight for better collaboration and to move around the office, but still have the same capabilities as the other IWBs in Ricoh's lineup. Being able to collaborate with others with other Ricoh interactive whiteboards, tablets, and PCs while still being finger-driven. No software installation is required. Display your presentation, draw and write to interact with others in the room, and be able to save and share the file through email or USB flash drive. The D2200 also supports HDMI, so the board can connect to a projector to display the interactive materials to a larger image on the wall or screen. The Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard D2200 has a built-in camera, microphone, and a pair of speakers to support video conferencing through the video conferencing system. Bluetooth and wireless capability is also mounted for smart meeting. With the portability of the D2200, any room or space can turn into a teleconferencing and interactive area. The D2200 is a 21.5-inch interactive whiteboard that is suitable for small meetings, video conferencing with interactive whiteboard functionality, classroom collaboration, higher education group work, used for reviewing and redlining electronic documents, reducing the needs for physical meetings. D2200 can be offered to vertical situation. Effectively using the D2200 will increase your productivity in your daily work, successfully bringing your collaboration work to your fingertips.